Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This morning when I woke up, I weighed it's 59.75 kilos, so no weight loss and no weight gain on the scale this morning. Let's take a look at the numbers. So total calorie, we're talking about 1,428 calories. In terms of calorie coming from protein, 235 calories. Calories coming from carbs, very high, 957 calories. And finally, 235 calories coming from fat. Did I have dessert? Yes, I did. And this is what I had for dessert. So we're talking 207 calories worth of dessert. In terms of steps, I walked in 10 steps, 12,810 steps for 8.4 kilometers. That's very good. Very good. But it's normal. It's not extra. It's not amazing. It's just good. And then in terms of exercise, I went to the gym and I worked out upper body. So I did an upper body session, intensity 5 on 10, but I added a little bit of cardio, 20 minutes on the bike. I did not do the Stairmaster. I went on the Stairmaster, I started pressing start, and then I said, you know what? I just can't see myself do 20 minutes, 30 minutes of this. I'm too tired. I had just walked an hour to go to the gym. So in the sun, in the heat. So I just sat on a bike and pedaled away. And 20 minutes later, I did an upper body workout. Very good workout. As I said, 5 on 10 intensity. Sometimes it's good for you to change a little bit, especially for your cardio. You want to be constant in your muscle, in your weightlifting strategy, but you want to try to spice up things. Go for a run, go for a walk every day. But sometimes you go for the stair mill. You do a spin class, you just want to vary a little bit the way you do cardio. That's if you want to do cardio, but I am doing cardio for the next 3 weeks because I'm on holidays, and cardio is good for your just overall health, not just weight loss, but overall health. And so this is the data for yesterday, and I did not drink any coffee. So overall, it was a very good day. Let's take a look at the meals. I started the day with a breakfast made of a lot of watermelon. We bought an 8-kilo watermelon and we're only 2, so we're going to have to eat a lot of watermelon. Once you chop it in 2, it's exposed and you kind of need to go through it very quickly. So that's what I did yesterday. I had a full bowl of watermelon. It was like the big, those big soup bowls. Kind of a bit too sweet at the end. I didn't finish it, but I put 800 grams of watermelon. So that 2 pounds in the morning, first thing in the morning. And then an hour later, I had my other breakfast, which is yogurt, muesli, and peaches, 2 peaches. Later on, I skipped lunch. I went to the gym during lunch, and then I ate a fish curry. So fish, green peas, and basmati rice with a little bit of Greek yogurt, low-fat Greek yogurt. I don't know anything about the calories in that. I did not cook it, so I don't know how much butter there was in it. I just estimated that my day was a total of 1,428 calories. Again, I'd love to be able to give you exact numbers like in chapter 1, but I can't because I don't have a food scale. So if you do not have a food scale and you are estimating, you're in the same situation as me. Depending on your habit or depending on your knowledge of calories, what ingredients contains calories or not a lot, not a lot, then you might be overestimating, underestimating by a lot. That we don't know. Again, always better to have a scale to know exactly where you're standing with calories. And finally, I had a little ice cream, the same as the first 2 days. I had a few bites of another ice cream sandwich. I decided it was 50 gram, but who knows? It could have been 20 grams. It could have been 56 grams. We don't know. It doesn't matter. Overall, very good day. I had a very healthy day. And so I'm pretty happy about it. The fact that I didn't lose anything today is totally normal. You're not going to lose every day. What I don't want is to regain much, but I'd like to maintain that 59.75 or go down. And obviously I lost 2 pounds the day before, so that is crazy. I did not really lose 2 pounds. I saw 2 pounds under on the scale, which is it's a psychological win. When you see something, you go under 60. You were in the 60s for a long time. I started at 72.9 at chapter 1, and then I got down to 62.05. So that's already 10 kilos less. And then going under the 60, that's definitely another step. And I'm very happy about it. So I'm absolutely not confused of why did I not lose weight? I was in a calorie deficit. Maybe I wasn't because I'm estimating everything. You see, I don't even know if I was in a calorie deficit yesterday. Maybe I was in a calorie maintenance. And so the truth is, overall, very good day. I will see you tomorrow for feedback on today, and I hope you're having a fantastic day. Bye.